What were you saying?
Somebody said, pwede mag-picture sa'yo, Sabrina.
Sabrina!
Sabi ni ate, pa-picture po, Sabrina.
Anong sabi mo?
No, my name is Sabrina Oceania Azores Iayo.
That's what you said to ate.
Trending at kinatutuwaan ng mga netizens ang latest video ng anak ni Jong Hilario na si Sarina kung saan sinagot nito ang 21 questions ng kanyang inang si Maya Leviste. Napansin ng mga netizens na ang husay ng pagpapalaki nila kay Sari. Napakatalino, napaka-friendly niyang bata at hindi maarte bukod sa taglay nitong katalinuhan.
Hi guys, Mama has a question for me.
What is your name?
Sarina Oceania. A real name?
Your real name, yes.
My real name?
Yes, your real name. Your super long name. What's your super long name?
Sarina Oceania Azores Iayo.
Okay, how old are you?
3.
Okay. Who's your favorite person?
Daddy and Mommy and Sari.
Aww, so kilig. Aww, thank you for helping. Okay, next question. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. You like purple? That's nice. I love purple. Okay.
And blue.
And blue. Okay.
Purple.
What's your favorite song?
Sailor.
And what else?
Pantropical and Siamese.
That's your favorites now?
Yes.
How about what's your favorite song to dance to?
I want Siamese.
Favorite place?
My new house.
Your new house? You have a new house? Where?
Here.
This is not
It's my new house.
This is not a new house, sorry. Okay, so where's your favorite place?
Here.
Okay, so your favorite place is the house.
Yes.
It's our house. Okay. Well, what is your favorite mode of transportation?
Maybe our airplane will go to Hong Kong, Disneyland, theater, but it's still a yellow one. It has a much TV.
Okay.
It has a game.
Okay.
Okay, you will play games on the airplane.
Yes, okay. Now, my next question is, who's your favorite Disney princess?
Cinderella and Rapunzel.
What's your favorite hobby?
Daddy.
No.
Hobby.
Hobby.
Is it football or car?
Pwede, yeah. Football. So you like to play football?
Yes.
That's your favorite hobby?
Yes.
Okay.
With Kuya Makoy.
Yes, with Kuya Mo.
What's your favorite makeup?
Me? I like blush on. How about you?
I like lipstick and eyelashes and eyebrows.
Oh, you like
And for here,
eyeshadow.
yes, eyeshadow.
Who's your best friend?
Mommy and Daddy.
Who else?
Kuya Argus and Ate Imogen and Johnny Ayo.
Who else?
And wait, I forgot. It's Ate Kulut.
Who else?
Ate Dahlia.
Yeah.
Ate Eva. All my friends is best friend.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is Many Princess.
Oh, you like Disney princesses?
Yes.
Okay. What gift do you want for Christmas?
I want to decorate the Christmas tree. It's a princess decorated.
But what toy do you want for Christmas?
I want Many Princess. Yes.
What?
I'm a princess.
What's your favorite fruit?
Many fruit.
Like?
Like watermelon.
What else?
Like burger.
Huh? That's not a fruit.
That's a food.
Yeah, that's food.
Wait, I forgot. It's melon.
Yeah, you like melon too. What else?
Dragon fruit and blueberries.
What's your
Is
favorite
it
veg?
healthy food?
Yes, that's healthy. What's your favorite vegetable?
Wait, I forgot. It's cucumber and broccoli and salad.
What's your favorite food?
It's burger and spaghetti. The chopsticks. Look at me. Guys, look at me. This from Ninong Iron. She's the friend of Daddy.
Yes, he's the friend of Daddy.
Ninong Vice. See?
Okay, they can see it now. Oh, what's that emote? What are you doing?
I'm doing my books.
I like your outfit.
I want more questions.
Okay. What's your favorite store?
Toy Store.
Toy Store, of course. What's your
And
favorite?
Time Zone.
And Time Zone. What's your favorite game in Time Zone?
Dinosaur.
The dinosaur?
Water.
The water gun.
Yes, the water gun.
How about in the toy store? What's your favorite toy?
Barbie.
You like Barbie?
Daddy will buy Ken. And he'll buy Barbie with me.
What's your favorite movie?
Mr. Grinch.
And?
Max. And Cindy and her mom. So scary.
Which one?
They are the crocodile.
Okay, how about what's your favorite accessory?
Accessory. Finish na yan.
Hindi ko pa natanong.
Bag and head.
What?
Bag and head. Oh, I want to thank my
Who's your favorite?
person.
Who do you admire the most?
It's mommy.
Why, mommy?
Because they're the most at me.
The what?
They're the most at me.
What do you mean?
You. I mean you.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. I love you so much.